Wrinkles are a natural process. They appear in everyone and are influenced by more than just age. Their formation is influenced by sun exposure, collagen breakdown, chronic inflammation, dehydration, diet, stress, and even sleep. That's why some people notice wrinkles as early as their 20s or 30s, while others' skin remains firm and smooth longer. The good news is that most of these processes can be influenced. And we're not talking about miracle creams, but real mechanisms confirmed by modern dermatology. In this video, we'll explore 10 specific steps that help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and slow down skin aging. Tip number 1, protect your skin from the sun every day. It's the main enemy of youth. Do you know what ages your skin the most? Not years, but the sun. Scientists have calculated that up to 80 to 90% of all wrinkles, age spots, dryness, and loss of elasticity are not due to age, but to cumulative exposure to ultraviolet radiation. This is called photoaging. Sun rays penetrate the skin even on cloudy days, through windows, and in winter. They slowly destroy collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep skin smooth and elastic. As a result, creases appear, which later develop into deep wrinkles. And the worst part, all this accumulates over the years. Even 10 to 15 minutes outside without protection every day can have a dramatic effect after 20 years. That's why many people at 35 already look older than their peers who always protected themselves. The good news, if you apply a sunscreen with SPF 30 to 50 every day, this process is significantly slowed down. Studies show that people who regularly use sunscreen look 10 to 15 years younger over the years than those who forget to use cream. Tip number 2, maintain collagen levels from within. Collagen is like the framework for your skin. It makes it dense, elastic, and helps it smooth out quickly after smiling or frowning. With age, from about age 25, the body begins to produce less collagen, about 1% per year. By age 40 to 45, it's already noticeably reduced, and in women during menopause, the loss can be very rapid. When the framework is depleted, wrinkles appear, the skin loses elasticity, and creases persist. But the good news is that collagen can be maintained from within, and it really works. The simplest and most proven methods are: eat enough protein, chicken, fish, eggs, cottage cheese, legumes. Vitamin C is the most important helper. Without it, collagen simply doesn't stick together properly. Eat citrus fruits, kiwi, bell peppers, strawberries, and sauerkraut. Don't forget about zinc, nuts, seeds, meat, and copper, liver, cocoa. They also help. Tip number 3, eliminate chronic inflammation, the skin's silent enemy. There's a hidden inflammation within the body called inflammaging. It's not visible as pimples or redness, but it slowly destroys the skin from the inside. It accelerates collagen loss, making it thinner and duller. What causes it? Constant stress, lack of sleep, too much sugar, fast food, chips, smoked foods, cigarettes. All of this causes the body to release substances that slowly eat away at the skin's youthfulness. How to stop it? Switch to anti-inflammatory foods. Fish, salmon, mackerel, flaxseed oil, and chia. They contain omega-3s and reduce inflammation. Vegetables, berries, and greens. They're rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Turmeric, preferably with black pepper, green tea. When inflammation subsides, the skin becomes calmer, smoother, and wrinkles become less noticeable. The effect doesn't come immediately, but it is very powerful, especially when combined with other habits. Tip number 4, start moisturizing your skin regularly. Most people don't do this at all. When skin is dehydrated, it immediately looks older. Fine wrinkles deepen, the face looks dull and tired, and lacks that pleasant plumpness. It's not just how much water you drink. It's more important that your skin retains that water. What helps? Avoid damaging the skin's protective layer with harsh cleansers containing sulfates. Gentle cleansers are better. Use moisturizing ingredients: hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and panthenol. They attract water like magnets. Avoid hot showers, frequent exfoliations, and dry air from heating. After just 2 to 4 weeks of this care, your skin becomes smooth, plump, and firm, and wrinkles are smoothed out because the cells are hydrated and stop shrinking. This is one of the fastest, most visible ways to restore a fresh and youthful appearance to your face. Tip number 5, sleep, a natural lift. At night, when you're sound asleep, your skin does its most important work. During deep sleep, growth hormone is produced, initiating cell repair, collagen synthesis, and restoration of the protective layer. This is a true overnight lift for free. Sleeping less than 6 to 7 hours has the opposite effect. The stress hormone cortisol increases, regeneration slows, creases from the pillow appear, the complexion becomes dull, and wrinkles develop faster. Studies have shown that people who regularly sleep 7 to 9 hours look younger, and their skin regenerates better. Simple rules. Go to bed and wake up at the same time. Choose a dark, cool room, and avoid using your phone an hour before bed. Quality sleep is one of the most powerful anti-aging factors, and it works every night on its own. Tip number 6. Reduce sudden blood sugar spikes. When you eat a lot of sweets, white bread, and soda, your blood sugar spikes. This triggers a harmful process called glycation. Sugar sticks to collagen and elastin, making them stiff and brittle. Your skin becomes like dry paper. It loses elasticity, wrinkles set in, and a yellow tint develops. To avoid this, eat low glycemic index foods, vegetables, whole grains, protein, and fiber. For breakfast, have eggs, avocado, or oatmeal instead of a bagel with jam. Reduce sugar and sugary drinks. When your blood sugar levels are stable, your skin stays soft, supple, and youthful much longer. This is one of the most underrated yet powerful ways to slow down aging. 7. Give your skin antioxidant protection. Every day your skin is attacked by free radicals, from the sun, dust, stress, even just from breathing. These harmful molecules damage cells and collagen, accelerating aging. Antioxidants are protectors. They neutralize them. The best helpers are vitamin C and E, citrus fruits, nuts, greens. Berries, dark chocolate, green tea. Creams contain niacinamide and coenzyme Q10. The effect is cumulative. After 3 to 6 months, your skin becomes more even, radiant, and resistant to damage. This combination of food and skincare is one of the most reliable habits for long-lasting youth. Tip number 8. Movement improves skin quality. Regular movement, whether it's walking, cycling, yoga, or light exercise 3 to 5 times a week, improves blood circulation, including in the skin. Blood begins to circulate better through small vessels. Cells receive more oxygen and nutrients, and waste products are eliminated more quickly. As a result, skin appears more vibrant, a natural glow appears, dull and tired tones disappear, and the face appears fresher and more rested. Over time, the overall quality of skin also improves. It appears firmer and healthier. Research shows that even in older people, regular physical activity improves skin condition precisely by enhancing microcirculation and metabolic processes. There's no need to exhaust yourself in the gym or engage in extreme workouts. Regularity, not intensity, is far more important. 9. Avoid constant facial muscle tension. When you constantly frown, clench your jaw, or squint due to stress or bright light, your facial muscles tense for hours. Over time, this leads to the formation of expression lines. Crow's feet around the eyes, vertical lines between the eyebrows, and forehead wrinkles. At first, these lines appear only during facial expressions, but gradually become more permanent. Facial muscles, like any other muscles, respond to chronic spasms by reducing blood circulation and lymph flow. Because of this, the skin receives less oxygen, recovers less quickly, and loses elasticity more quickly. What really helps, consciously relax your face throughout the day, especially the forehead, eye area, and jaw. Do a light massage. Practice calm breathing, and, if desired, do facial exercises or face yoga. Tip number 10. Consistency is more important than miracle cures. No cream, injection, or procedure, even the most expensive, will make your skin look youthful for long if there's no foundation. Cosmetology can enhance the effect, but it doesn't replace daily habits. Only a system, not a single magic product, delivers true and lasting results. This system is simple: sun protection, regular sleep, a diet without sudden blood sugar spikes, skin hydration, exercise, antioxidants, collagen support, and relaxing facial muscles. Each of these steps alone provides a small effect, but together they are many times more powerful. After just 8 to 16 weeks of regular habits, your skin begins to look firmer, wrinkles become softer, and your complexion becomes more even and fresh. And after a few months, not only your reflection in the mirror changes, but your overall well-being as well. You feel more energetic and calm. Let us know in the comments which of these tips you're already using or which one you're planning to start with. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching to the end. See you in the next video.